LuvMe Hair is really onto something with these braided wigs, so let's go ahead and get into this one. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are getting into another braided wig from LuvMe Hair. So this is going to be the full lace wig that I was talking about before in one of the other videos. The one that only had the braids right here at the top and the rest was just a regular wig. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, provide you all the specs. I'm not going to co-wash this unit, and I'll tell you why really soon here. But let's just take a look at this unit first. Okay, so inside the box we have the unit, and here it is. So while I have it out, let me just go ahead and show you the construction. So this is a full lace wig, full lace. So even in the back here, it is lace to give a scalp look. The lace already comes pre-cut off in the front. In the inside, we have two combs like towards the side. We have one in the back. And then we also have these like clear little strings here to tighten up the unit in the back. So it is adjustable, which is really nice. So again, yes, this is a full lace unit, and it is a very cute natural black boho bob. Also in the box is elastic bands. So this one is to attach to the inside of the unit, and this one is to melt the lace. Also some little lace strips, and then we also have a little eyebrow razor, and it has the brush and the comb, and this is probably to cut off the additional lace. The lace is already cut off, but I feel like a little more can be cut off. Also some wig box labels, and I have been utilizing these box labels like crazy. As soon as I get a wig, I go ahead and just write the name of it, how long it is, and then just put it on the side of the box. It makes life so much easier, especially when it comes time to have a sale. Also a pack of HD wig caps and a little brochure with thank you card, common wig issues, how to return, wig care tips, all that good stuff. And of course we have a purple mesh bag with a drawstring top to store the unit. Okay, so I'm going to start off by placing this elastic band in the inside of the unit. I already have this side done. So it has this little hook here, and then there's this black little loop. So all you're going to do is put the hook through the loop. And the other side was a little difficult because this loop is kind of small. Let me pop this in here. All right, so just slide it on through like so. And like any other wig, I'm going to start by placing this elastic band around the back of my head. And I'll turn around. And I did go ahead and leave on this nude wig cap. I tried on the HD wig cap, but it was too bright. And I kind of want something more of my own skin tone. So I decided to just go ahead and put this one back on. Okay, so now I'm going to slide the unit down. Put this back comb over the elastic band and right there in the back of my head. Okay. Now I did not insert the side combs because I'm not really sure, like they're further back in the unit, so not like on the edge of my hairline. So I'm not really sure how to install those. So here is the unit, just straight putting it on my head. Now let's see here, get all adjusted. So here it is, just popping it on. I am going to find these little clear little strings here so that I can tighten it up. And they fall like right where your ears are. So let me show you. All you're gonna do is pull and lock it into place with that little knob. And then just tuck it into the side of the unit right here in the back. And do the same thing on the other side. All right, so here is what it looks like on the side. I am not going to glue this unit down all the way around or spray it down all the way around. Again, I have a lower hairline, so my edges always pop out when it's like a lace front or a larger lace. So I'm just going to disguise that a little bit I am only going to spray it down like right here, just right here on my forehead to kind of blend that lace in. And then we'll try out some other styles. All right, so with this lace right around the hairline, right in the middle, I'm just gonna cut it back just a little bit. And when you do this, just make sure that you are cutting in a jagged motion so it's undetectable. But I feel like it's too much lace up here for me. And this is completely optional. I'm not gonna cut it all the way to that other ear because again, we're gonna disguise that. All right, see. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray right there in the front and then lay it down with this elastic band, and this is the one with the Velcro. So just attaching right here in the back and then sliding it up to rest on top of that lace. And just gonna let this sit on for maybe 5-10 minutes or so. All right, so while the lace is melting, I completely forgot I did not give you the specs on this unit. So let's go ahead and do that now. So this is LuvMe Hair's Readitress HD Full Lace Knotless Boho Curls Braided Bob Wig. It has that Flexi Fit Invisi Drawstring cap. So those little clear strings are those Invisi drawstring. So this unit is 14 inches long. You can get this with the lace cut off or not. And so with the lace already cut off, the unit is $228.90. And with it not cut off, it's the same price. So why not get it sent with the lace cut off? Okay, it's 150% density. Circumference fits from 19 inches all the way up to 23 inches. Comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, natural black color, full lace, HD lace, and this is a human hair blend synthetic braids. So that is why I said that I did not co-wash this unit, because part of it is synthetic hair. So the braided part and this curl right here at the bottom, let me separate it out. Okay, so this curl right here at the bottom is synthetic hair. So these pieces coming off of the side is human hair. And so they probably just braided synthetic hair in with the human hair. This is synthetic, and then the pieces coming off are human hair. So it is a blend between synthetic and human hair. So I didn't want to co-wash this unit just because from personal experience, when I had a boho braided bob that I got done at a salon, these pieces at the end, since they are synthetic and they're water set, they fail. The curls fail, and I did not want the curls to fall before actually doing this review for you all. So that is why I did not co-wash this unit. So I just want to make you aware of that. When you get the unit and you think about co-washing the unit, just keep that in mind. It is a human hair synthetic blend. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this elastic band off. And here is that hairline now. I'm also gonna take a little bit of my contouring powder, and this is Wet n Wild. This is called Caramel Toffee. So I am just gonna take a little bit of this dark shade and just put it right there around my edges. Okay. Now, as far as in between the braids, we got some different powder for that. So we're gonna take some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330, angled brush here, and I am just gonna brush that right here in the parting spaces to kind of brighten up those parts. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles of this unit. So of course, the front, side, here is the back. And so again, this is a full lace unit. So we have parts all over, braids all over. So if you wanted to, you could probably spray a lace tinting spray in the inside of this unit if you do plan to like do some different styles to show like the back of the unit, but we're not gonna do that today. All right, so side again and front. So of course you could wear it, you know, just straight middle part. If you wanted to change it to like a side part, then you could do that too. But again, I did not spray all of this lace. So here's the side part. I'm not going to do a deep side part or anything, but I also wanted to do like a little half up, half down look. And that is just me opening up this pack of rubber bands. But just a small black rubber band, and I'm just going to gather some of the hair up here at the top. I'm not going to do too much because I still want to disguise this side where I did not lay the lace down, but I'm just going to grab some hairs up here at the top. Let's see here. Okay. And then just secure this with an elastic band, little ponytail. And so now we have like a little cute half up, half down look. And then if you do go ahead and lay that lace down, then you won't have to have so many braids down like around the perimeter. But yes, half up, half down. Let me go ahead and turn around again. So of course the front, side, back, side again, and front. Okay, so final thoughts on this unit. I think this style is so super cute. I love that LuvMe Hair is coming out with so many braided wigs. And that's great for people who have alopecia, who just cannot sit for long periods of time. People who want to try out braids but don't really want the commitment of maintaining braids every single day. Or for those people who just love wigs and love different designs, this one is definitely perfect for you. So super duper cute, and love the length of it. Love that it's shoulder length. So this one is 14 inches. Price is super affordable. Definitely costs less than braids. Going to sit at a salon, I know that when I got a braided bob, it was definitely more than $229. And then also, you know, I have a promo code on top of that. I think it's SNH01, gets you 32% off now. So this style is definitely more affordable than sitting down for braids. It took me no time at all to install. Even if you wanted to fully glue down the lace, it's still less time than sitting 7-8 hours in a salon getting your hair braided. So definitely a time saver. So that concludes this video. I think this is so adorable. Again, it's a human hair blend. I noticed maybe a few strands of shedding, but nothing major. Of course, there's no tangling because it's individual braids. Nice thing about this is at the end of the night, you can just pop it on your mannequin head and put it on the very next day. So yeah, lovely, 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 lovely. 100% lace unit, so just be aware of that. I would say this is maybe on the medium range as far as beginner friendliness. But if you are like me and just don't want to glue down a wig, you don't have to. Just cut off the lace right there in the middle, spray it down a little bit, and you are good to go. This will fool absolutely anybody, I promise you. So make sure to check out the description box below. I'm going to put a link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this unit, of course my promo code, the new and improved SNH01, 32% off any unit from LuvMe Hair. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.